Meet Karen, who lives in a rental apartment in New York worth $1,100. Let's design her cozy bedroom where she can peacefully sleep and do her work to become multi-millionaire. This room is about 7.2 square meters, that is 3 meter by 2.4 meter space. First comes a tall wardrobe with shelves partitioning clothes, shoes, and baggages. Next we have storage with LED strip lights and upper cabinets with glass shutters. Then carpet and bed with fabrics that match the vibe is installed. Then comes the padded headboard to prevent the head bump. Sheer curtain is a must to get daylight without harsh sunlight. Then comes a study table with drawer, a blackboard and rolling chair. And there you have it, a room that's so perfect for Karen, which she might never leave. Do you think this room design is worth for $1,100 in New York? Comment down your thoughts. Want more design inspiration? Hit like, share and subscribe. Click left or right. Your choice.